Yan. May kabayo rin dito guys. Oh. There. Naglalakad sila. Sumasakay pala. Yan, tumatakbo na. Hala, nagtakbuhan na sila. Ang cute. There you go. Paakyat na sila dito. Sinabi walk. Nag-walk din siya. Nag-stop siyang tumakbo. May isa pa doon. You're on my live. Yeah, you're famous. It's been 2 years I didn't see horse.
Oh, really? Yeah, we were surprised. No horse trailers here. So.
Yeah, there's no horse trailers here. So where are you from, sir?
Fairfield?
Fairfield. Yeah. Okay, enjoy your horse riding. O, diba? Naka-English tayo bigla. So, hindi sila taga dito. Pumunta lang sila dito para horse riding. Sundan nga natin. Ang lalaki ng mga puwet ng kabayo nila. Yeah. Look at their puwet. So they said they're surprised there's no horse trailers here. Yeah. Ang ganda daw dito, sana patakbo ng kabayo. Wala eh. Walang kabayo dito sa Bay Area. Galing pa sila ng Fairfield. Medyo malayo yun from here. Na-surprise siya. Walang horse trailer. Maganda daw sana. Dito, malawak yung area. Who knows, one day. Wala kasing kabayo dito sa Bay Area.